chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee, naturally. Before to move on with the main subject that it's Moonbeam and Polkadot, I want you to take two simple actions. Very simple. The first one is to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now and press the bell notifications to receive new notification when chez Satoshi, name to remember and put to your hand, that release new video over YouTube. And the second action I want you to take right now is to spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the streets, at your school, whenever you go. Just talk about chez Satoshi, spread the love about it, and you have all my gratitude. So let's go jump to the core of this video. Moonbeam and Polkadot. The future is in multi-chains. Expand to new chains powered by Moonbeams, an ethereum-compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. What you need to remember, an ethereum-compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. This is really important actually until we have Ethereum 2.0, but we need interoperability to be able to communicate or transact over multi-chains at the moment, or in the near future is something that will be for granted. People will take for granted, I mean. So let's go continue. The easiest path to multi-chains. Minimal configuration change. No need to rewrite or reconfigure your smart contract. They will work right away. This is really cool. You need to save your time and you need to send these beautiful robots to the moon or to the planet Mars. Tools you already use. Use Ethereum-based tools you love like MetaMask, Remisk, and Truffles. Familiar smart contract languages. Support for Solidity, Vipers, and anything that compile to EVM bytecode. This is really cool. Pre-built integrations. Built-in integrations for assets like DOT and ERC20s and infrastructure services like Chainlinks and the Graph. Sorry, I need some coffee. A fully Ethereum-compatible environment on Polkadot. This is what you need to remember about Moonbeam. A fully Ethereum-compatible environment on Polkadot. That's what I need to stick to your hand when you think about Moonbeam. Moonbeam is much more than just an EVM implementation. It's highly specialized layers 1.5 chains that mirrors Ethereum Web RPC. Account keys, subscriptions, logs, and more. The Mooobeam platform extends the base Ethereum feature set with additional features such as on-chain governance, staking, and cross-chain integrations, documentation, and GitHub repos. Solidity smart contract. Redeploy existing smart contract to a Polkadot environment without the need to refactor or rewrite. So you save your time. This is really important. Publish subscribe capabilities. Subscribe to contract events and updates about on-chain transactions, balances, and more. H160 accounts and ECDSA signatures. Interact with Moonbeam using your existing Ethereum account and key. So you don't need to recreate the whole thing. It's already there. So you can migrate from Ethereum to or implement something you have already created for Ethereum directly on Polkadot. And this is the magic of Moonbeam. Complete set of Web3 RPC endpoint. Connect existing tools and they have front ends to Moonbeam like you would to Ethereum. This is really cool. Polkadot. Grow your project with multi-chains. Moonbeam helps projects expand their reach to new users and markets with a multi-page approach. This is what we need, and so you can build something, have a path to Polkadot, have a path to Ethereum, and everyone is happy. And you can even exchange value from point A to point B, like the parachain on Polkadot to Ethereum. So this is really important, the concept interoperability and what you can do with smart contract over to migrate from Ethereum to Moonbeam or Polkadot, or you can just be present on both, because eventually Ethereum 2.0 will be there, will be here, I mean, and then everything will be fine because I think Ethereum will support, I don't know, thousand of TPS per second with shards and stuff like that. So you can bring user and use case, address a segments of your markets that are out of reach on Ethereum due to gas price. Sorry, I need to change both sides. Rich pool of assets. Get immediate access to DOT, KSM, native Polkadot assets like G, LMR, and RUSD, plus other bridges assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum-based ERC20. Growing ecosystem. Enjoy the first mover advantage by deploying early to Polkadot, rapidly expanding parachain ecosystem. Join the project already built on Moonbeam. So they have a lot of people that are interested to build over here, like IDEX, Pools, Ocean, Sushi Swap, Offshis, Band Protocol, Podcast Starter, Alliance Block, ChainSafe, Razor, Linear, Injective Protocol, Chainlink, Skill, and Polka Cover. Smart contract powered by a Glimmer token. Wow, what's that? As a decentralized smart contract platform, Moonbeam requires an utility token to function. Our token Glimmer GLMR is central to the design of the network and can be removed without sacrificing security and essential functionality. The Glimmer token is not yet available. Subscribe to our newsletter to be notified when tokenization plans are announced. Smart contract execution. Glimmer is used to pay for smart contract executions, playing the same role that ETH does on Ethereum. Staking. Nominate collaborator using the Glimmer token and help support the liveness of the network. Transaction fees. All transaction fees are paid for with Glimmer. Governance. Participate in on-chain Glimmer weekend, voting, and governance. Launch time and progress. Project roadmap. As you can see, now we have on Q1, Q2, launch on the Moonriver Carisnet on Kusama. I think Kusama is the testnet of Polkadot ecosystem. Launch on Polkadot mainnet will be at the end of the year 2021. Timing is dependent on parity, enabling parachain functionality on Kusama and Polkadot. Join the Moonbeam ecosystem, project, collator, and technology partners. Sign up for project update. So if you want to know about subscribe to the newsletters when this token will be available. So let's go jump to the next sections. Welcome to Moonbeam. This site provides documentation for Moonbeam, a smart contract parachain on the Polkadot network that is fully ethereum-compatible. Here you will find high levels and technical information for developers, collators, and users, and other Moonbeam network participants. So what is Moonbeam? We already covered it on the main page. How to get started with Moonbeam, wallet, tools, network, oracles, bridge, how to engage with the Moonbeam community. They are available on Discord, Element, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, and newsletter. Let's go jump to the next section. Community. Join the Moonbeam community. How to help Moonbeam grow. So I need to take some coffee before moving on to the next sections. Before moving on, don't forget the rules of 2. Subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. Press the bell notification to receive new notification when I release every video on the my god, have some blank memory on YouTube, I mean. And as well, spread the love about this great channel on YouTube, at your workplace and the street and at school. Just talk about shifts and the shift to have access great content of value. How to help Moonbeam grow. Excited for the future of Moonbeam? We are too, my friend. Here are some of the many ways that you can channel your enthusiasm into awareness of the network and the continued growth of the ecosystem. Become an ambassador, apply for the Moonbeam grant, run a masternode, collator node, or build a Solidity project. So they are present on Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, Medium, I don't know what this is, and Reddit. So represent Moonbeam as an official ambassador. Earn a grant of software to benefit the communities. Help support Moonbeam's network infrastructures. Create a redeploy Solidity DAPP to Moonbeam. sign off on it. Let's go jump to the next sections. The future is much better. I think that we have already covered this this page, so I'm going to close it. So Moonbeam. So this is the next section. Moonbeam. Solidity smart contract on Polkadot. A Polkadot parachain designed for developers. Moonbeam simplified the developer experience by combining full Ethereum compatibility with the power of Polkadot, including scalability, cross-chain integrations, and on-chain governance, launching mid-2020. This is something that's coming on the pipe this year, my friend. Simplified deployments. Write your smart contract and anything that compile the Solidity bytecode without needing to rewrite or reconfigure. This is really cool. Broad tool compatibility. Leverage Ethereum broad development ecosystem by using the tools you love like MetaMask, Remis, and Truffle in addition to substrate-based APIs. Pre-build integration. Build an integration for assets like DOT and ERC20 and infrastructure service like Chainlinks and the Graph. Continual efforts to integrate with other Polkadot native assets like the Akala dollars. The best of both worlds. Before to move on, I need some coffee, my friend. Do not forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Krypton Coffee. Press the bell notification and spread the love at your workplace, in the street, at your school. The power of Polkadot, the easy to use of Ethereum. Moonbeam delivers complete Ethereum compatibility within the Polkadot parachain environment, so developers can continue to use the programming languages and tools they have grown used to, but within the fast-growing and scalable layer 1 chains. It's like the same thing when you use Windows, when they have Windows 95, 7, 2000, they have already the new versions, but as soon you get to the new version, you know how to navigate through the windows. It's the same thing with your skills, so you can bring your skill to Polkadot and be able to bring your DApps over here. It's also compatible with the substrate and Polkadot ecosystem, including Log Explorer, wallets, parachain, and more, allowing users the flexibility to choose the right tools and services for the job. Learn how easy it can be to build or redeploy Solidity project and Moonbeam's substrate-based environments. An easy on-ramp to Polkadot. Moonbeam is so much that a bridge. It's a launch pad for applications that want to tap into Polkadot's success without a code rewards. Use the Moonbeam platform to redeploy your Solidity smart contract to a parallel instance with little or no chance. Look at that. So you have the Moonbeam and Ethereum and Polkadot. This is really cool, simple to understand. So it's like a big ecosystem, the trilemma, the triangles of this powerful Moonbeam technology. To the moon, my friend. Complete Ethereum compatibility. Moonbeam is a fully Ethereum-like environment and work with industry standard Ethereum tools, DAPP, and protocol. DeFi integration, unified account, Web3, RPC, and EVM. By mirroring Ethereum's Web RPC accounts, keys, subscription logs, and more, Moonbeam minimizes the change required to run existing Solidity smart contract on the network. Ethereum project can simplify, replicate the DApp, and deploy it to the Moon using Truffle, Remix, and other popular deployment tools. The Moonbeam platform also extends the base Ethereum feature set with additional features such as on-chain governance, staking, and cross-chain integrations. So here's the Moonbeam platform goes beyond the basic EVM compatibility. I'm just going to read at high levels: unify account addresses and signatures, use existing tools and DApp front ends, deploy with minimal changes, use familiar programming languages. And this is really cool. The Glimmer token. The utility token of Moonbeam Network. As a decentralized smart contract platform, Moonbeam requires the Glimmer token to function. Some of use of the Glimmer's token on Moonbeam include supporting the gas metering of smart contract execution, incentivize collaborators, empowering the mechanic around the creation of decentralized node infrastructures on which the platform can run, facilitate the on-chain governance mechanisms, including proposing referenda, electing council member, voting, etc., paying the transactions fee over on the network. More information about the decision supply and other token emergence behavior can be found on the Moonbeam Foundation website. Join the projects already building on Moonbeam, Polkadot, Polkadot, Handnet, and see more Moons builders. So sign up for the update. So let's go jump to the next sections. The Moonriver. I need some coffee before moving on. Moonriver. Solidity smart contract on Kusama. A community-led cousin parachain on Kusama. Moonriver is intended as a companion network to Moonbeam, where it will provide a permanently incentivized canal network. New code will be shipped to Moonriver first, where it can be tested and verified under real economic conditions. Once proven, the same code will ship to Moonbeam on Polkadot. So Kusama is like you test your environment before to move on to the real thing on Polkadot. Launching 2021 succeeding Kusama parachain auctions. Early and experiment. Access and use the latest build of Moonbeam and a live incentivized Canary Net environment that's connected to the Kusama mainnet. Community-led. Community member will own a majority of the River token on the network, giving them considerable control over the direction of the network. Independent network. While Moonbeam code will launch to Moonriver first, the network will continue to live as a parachain on Kusama with its own project and specialized use cases. So early launch, early access. Moonriver received code deployment early and launch on Kusama first. Since Kusama will enable parachain functionality in the first half of 2021, the Moonriver network will be able to deploy as a parachain before Moonbeam deploys to Polkadot. That means developers will have early access to Moonrivers to start building, experimenting, and launching, and other participants will be able to access DAPP and assets on the chains. An easy home run to Kusama. Quickly deploy your new or existing Solidity DAPP to the Moonriver's parachains with little or no modifications and get easy access to Kusama network. This is really cool. So you smart contract, Ethereum, Kusama. Bing. Complete Ethereum compatibility. I already read that portions that you can find on Moonbeam. So this is Moonriver, the same thing. I'm going to move to pass this. So the River token, the UC token on the Moonriver network. So this is the same thing. So I will not read again. So if you want to join, you can subscribe to the newsletters. So let's go jump to the network tokens. This is really important. Glimmers and Rivers. The utility tokens of the Moonbeam and Moonriver's networks. This will be the real ones, Moonbeams, and the Moonrivers for the Kusama. So Glimmer, the GLMR, Deployment Network Moonbeams, Relay Chain Polkadot. Glimmer's GLMR is the utility token of the Moonbeam network, Moonbeam's primary deployments on the Polkadot network that serve as a developer-friendly parachains. Moonbeam will launch after Moonriver's its Carabiner. I don't know what that means, but probably an acronym for a special use case for especially for Moonbeam. The River. Deployment River network, Moonriver Relay Chains Kusama. Rivers is the utility tokens on the Moonriver's network. Moonbeam's Kusama deployments that serve as a canary net to the Moonbeam network. As such, the utility token behaviors on Moonriver will mirror that of Moonbeam. So you have a testnet and like a mainnet. So that's the way I understand it. Utility token for the Kusama and Polkadot. Glimmer and River utility. As a decentralized smart contract platform, I need to take some coffee before moving on. I'll just read again the first sentence. As decentralized smart contract platform, Moonbeam and Moonrivers require the utility token GLMR and River to properly operate, holding this utility token serve as gateway for network participants to access the corresponding network vital functions. GLMR and River are needed to perform the following functions. Pay transaction fee to access and support a network operation. 2. Incentivize collector, the full node responsible for maintaining parachains on Polkadot and Kusama. 3. Support the gas metering of smart contract execution. 4. Facilitate on-chain governance and mechanisms by proposing referenda, voting, electing council member, and more. 5. Power the mechanics needed to create the decentralized node infrastructure on which the network operates. How to get the Glimmer and River. This is really important. The Moonbeam Foundation is administering all the information on the distribution, supply, and other token economic behavior of Glimmer and River. As part of the SOC, the Moonbeam Foundation will lead and coordinate plan for the public sale of Moonbeam GLMR token and the growth loan of Moonriver token. Further information, including location and timing for this token event, will be published on the website as is become. Go to the foundations. Sign up. If you go to the foundation, funding the research, deployment, and governance of the Moonbeam network. Not much information, but at the same time, don't hesitate to put a comment right now over this vlog, on the comment section. Press the smash button. Join this beautiful website, not website, but channel Crypton Coffee. Press the bell notification. I release 7 videos a week right now. Monday to Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time every single day to have access great content of value. So see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and as well you can subscribe to my newsletters, podcasts, and come visit my outstanding website satoshi.com, and have a great day ahead, and see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Ciao, ciao.